So yet, some people still don't believe that there's actually free ways of making money online. Okay, so today I'm going to prove to them that there's really and actually free ways to make money online. So all you need to have is your internet connection in your smartphone. Okay, and now you know what? I don't blame them, because when you allow procrastination, doubt, and fear to overthrow you or to lead your life, there's no way you can go away with it. Okay, so do not allow yourself to be overfilled or over controlled with procrastination and doubt. Okay, most of the people still don't believe, but in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make free money online. And this opportunity that I'm going to teach you about is a Telegram based opportunity. So if you don't have a Telegram right now, it's better you go to Apple Store or Google Play Store to install Telegram right away, create your account, and join the winning team. If today is your first time coming across my video, I'm Coach Peter, and my channel is Coach Peter Studios. Kindly give this video thumbs up, follow the page, subscribe to the channel so that you become part of the family. You can also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video, you'll be able to see it. And if you're watching from Facebook, it's Digital Income Lab. Follow the page, like the page, so that I'll be motivated to always bring to you such wonderful updates. So if you are not on Telegram yet, do well to join Telegram right away. And if you're on Telegram, there's a link under the description of the video. Just tap on it. It will take you straight away to your Telegram so that you also start making money online. And this platform that I'm about to disclose to you, or this boat I'm about to disclose to you, is a crypto website or crypto platform where you gonna mine free USDT for free without any investment. I repeat, without any investment. So let's go and explore this website or this platform and see how we can make money with it. Okay, this is how Base Rock works. Okay, that's how it works. When you receive the invitation code, it's either you use the link or you receive it on Telegram. If someone invites you on Telegram, it will appear like this, but if the person copies the address or the link and sends you on WhatsApp or any messaging means or chat app, it will be like the link you are seeing above. So if you click on the link, this is how it will be, and if you click on launch too, this is how it will be. So you click on start, you start the boat. Okay, then they say you've been in Telegram for a while now, it's great, it's time to get reward. Wow, let's go. So they'll verify your account, your activity analysis, your Telegram premium check, and your OSG status confirmed. Okay, so you click on continue and you earn stones or rocks. Okay, so you tap on continue and they will give you 50, depending on it depends, it varies. Okay, my first time I joined, I get 40 coins, 40 rocks, and I use other accounts, I get 44 rocks, and this one is 56 rock. Okay, so this is how you do it. Once you receive the rocks, you select staking. Okay, select staking, then you click on start staking. Once you click on start staking, you click here to enter the amount of rocks you want to stake. So I want to stake 56 rocks. Okay, so you tap on continue. Because I have 66 rock available, I'll click on continue. Okay, then you click on confirm to pay, then you click, let's wait for it. So the estimate reward for every day is 0.011258 USDT daily. So every day you have to check in here to claim. Okay, so now we have staked successfully and it will be working. Okay, so next reward in that's 13 hours 35 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, that's where it ends. And you also get bonuses when you share your link. Okay, you get bonus when you share your link. So let me go to my other account and let's check. You can see right now I have 102.72 rocks available right now. So let's go to funds. I've earned 6. First stake bonus, I got 96 rocks, and my commission from friends right now is 6.72 rocks. Okay, so I'm going to stake again. Go to staking. So I have 102 rocks. You go to start staking. Go to enter 102. I can even add the 0.7 2, or is it 6 5? It's 2 rather. Yeah, it's 2. Then we click on continue. You click on confirm to pay. and I've staked it successfully. Okay, I've staked it. So I'll wait for the time to end for me to claim my reward, and you can swap it here. You can swap it here. Okay, you can swap it here, and you can also withdraw here. Okay, so right now I started right now this one I have $1 available. So if you can continue to use it and use it well, you can make something. Okay, so in total I've staked 146.72 rocks this morning in total. Okay, so this is how you make free money. And they said the minimum withdrawal is I think $5 or $10. So if you reach your minimum withdrawal, you can just withdraw. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal is $5 as it's indicated here. It's $5 here. So this is how it works.